1974 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super C10 here at Unique, especially in classics. 454, big block power underneath hood. Paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Nicely equipped truck, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this front grille, chrome bumper, headlight surrounds. Restoration work done on this truck approximately 15 years ago. Has about 3,000 miles on it since that was all done. And it's going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the paint on the hood, nice shape. And you can take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside of this truck, engine bay, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Keystone Classics. BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a look down the passenger side. See, these panels are nice and straight. Also take a look at the bright work. Appears to be in nice shape also. Truck does have dual tanks. Let's take a look around these wheel wells. From what I have seen when I was picturing it up, sure looked good. Down at the lower rockers and around that front wheel well. Looking good. White vinyl interior. Tilt column. We'll get over to the driver's side, check out that interior a little bit closer. Bed rails, wooden box. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. There you go. There you get a good idea how nice and straight body work was done in this truck. Coming around to the rear, dual exhaust. Take a look at the rear bright work. Chrome on the bumper. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can take a look at all the still pictures. Another thing to remember is we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Got somebody to come take a look at this truck for you if you can't make it yourself, maybe due to time or distance. Not a problem. Again, third-party inspectors, open door policy. I can tell you some of the recent service that was done on this. Plugs and plug wires, carb kit, distributor cap and rotor, coolant flush, brake pads and rotors up front, rear drums and shoes, new battery put in it. So we take a look down the driver's side here. On the wheel wells, lower rockers, cab corners, looking good. And let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Take a look at the bottoms of the doors and the still pictures too. Very nice shape. Black carpeting, white vinyl seats. Does have the sliding rear window. Headliner good shape. Very stock looking dash with the exception of the aftermarket stereo. I've not gotten that to power up though, just so you're aware of that. Let's fire this up. All right. Again, tilt column. And 454 underneath the hood. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. See oil pressure. Amp meter. Sounds good too. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC controls. There's the aftermarket stereo. Again, haven't had that fired up though. Top of the dash. Good shape. Closes nicely, fits nice, and there's that dual exhaust. A little rumble to it. As it should with that 454 up underneath the hood. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front here. I want to pop this hood So I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped, and we'll take a look underneath it and check out that engine bay. There's the underside of the hood, and this is an original 454 truck, by the way. There it is, power steering, power brakes, AC compressor on this side. Peek at the engine bay here. Appears that it has been converted, it looks like there, as far as the AC. Mentioned new battery earlier, and there is a battery disconnect there. For in between drives, if you want to disconnect the battery or during storage, anything like that, all set up for you. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1974 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super pickup truck. This is a nice running truck, fired right up and idled nicely right away. It is an automatic on the column. Inside we have a white headliner and white seat. Contrast nicely with the wood and the black on the dash. A little bit of body color on the dash as well, that burgundy color. The steering wheel is clacked a little bit to the left, but that's not affecting performance. Meter is reading a little over halfway on the gauge. The oil pressure is reading 40 to 50 psi. Temperature is just coming off a cold. We're doing about 53 miles an hour, and the fuel gauge is reading clear full on the gauge. This truck has working air conditioning. Flip it over to AC and it blows cold. There's only one fan speed that appears to work, but it's blowing cold, and that's all that matters. Radio is a retro sound style radio. When I push the button, it does not power up. Our wipers are working well. Brakes are working well. It's a very comfortable truck, easy to drive. Factory appearing white vinyl bench seat in here. Acceleration is good. Stays right where you put it. There's a little bit, maybe drift to the right, a little bit of vibration from one of those tires. That could be just a flat spot. These vehicles do sit in storage for a while. Very smooth running, great sounding 1974 Chevy Cheyenne Super. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.